Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that THENA token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, THENA THE is a comprehensive decentralized trading hub and modular liquidity layer built on BNB chain and OPBNB, designed to unify advanced trading products within a single DeFi ecosystem. Modular liquidity hub, it functions as a foundational liquidity layer for BNB chain, using concentrated liquidity pools to improve capital efficiency for traders and providers. Multi-product trading suite, the platform integrates a spot DEX, a perpetual futures exchange, THENA preps, and social trading competitions with plans for native on-chain options. Community-driven governance, the THE token facilitates governance through a vote escrow model, aligning incentives between long-term token holders and protocol growth. THENA project audited by Hacken. THENA token total supply is 278.16 million and circulating supply is around 128.06 million THE token. THE token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.